Hello guys, today I'll be showing you my Fidgets. First one I have is my rainbow puppet. It's very nice. It's probably my favorite. I only have like 3, so I guess it would be my favorite. I'm gonna make a collection. It's very fun to play with. This snake toy. This snake toy, you can make balls, hearts, boats, anything. They're so fun to play with. Very good for long trips. You can really make stuff. The last one I have is a splat ball. I kept it in the packaging so it doesn't stick. So that ball isn't very sticky right now. So I'm just going to go do something to make it sticky. So the thing which you have to do to make it sticky is put it in some water, then dry it up, and then just kind of squish it around, and it gets very sticky after that for me. So I'm just gonna go do that and stick to walls, and my one gets really splat. So what I like to do is squish it like this, and then I stick it over here, and it makes this weird sticky looking stuff. It's so watery. Those are the fidgets I have. This, and this. Now I'm going to show you the stuff you can do with them. One of the games you can play is with your puppet. It's a 2-player game. So you keep it down and you roll the dice. And for example, on 6, I pop 6, and the other person probably got 3, so they pop 3. And then I maybe go up to 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll have to put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And maybe I got 3. And then maybe like 2. And then I roll again. I got 3. And there are only 3 pops left. If you're the last one to pop them, you will lose. You can't be the last one to pop them. It's a very fun game. Now with the snake, you can just make a ball. I'm gonna go make a ball with the snake and make a ball. They're very fun to make, especially when you're going for like long road trips. So these are